This is a look at room 2263 in the Century Tower at New York Hotel and Casino Las Vegas. This is a Park Premier King, and I have to say I've thoroughly enjoyed staying at New York over the last 3 days. This room itself, I mean, it's clearly not been decorated for some time, but it's ultra clean, and the decor isn't scuffed or anything. It's all dated, but in a very nice and cool condition. You know, it's nothing wrong with it at all. Great pressure from the shower. I do have a couple of little niggles in the room, even though it's a budget room. You know, I'm not expecting the world, but one of them is the fact that there are absolutely no charging ports whatsoever. Now, clearly, when these rooms were last renovated, there was no need for them, but you haven't even got any plugs near the bed. You've got a plug that side, and then you've got the same the other side, but trying to get a regular lead to be long enough so that you can, I don't know, be on your phone or whatever whilst it's charging. It's just not been possible, and it's the same all over the room. Lovely comfy bed. As I said, I've been here for 3 days, so this is me making the bed, not the way that it would be if you checked in. Huge amounts of closet space, but absolutely no hangers in here at all. So it's really sort of fairly useless, really. But I basically used this as my closet space here, and there was 3 hangers there, and the same this side. Now the safe, I didn't think there was a safe in here when I first checked in, and I kept looking and I thought, oh, I wonder what's in here. There is your safe. You got some drawers there, reasonable telly, Samsung telly. And even over here on the workstation, you have to plug your phone or your charger in right under there. And again, it doesn't really reach up particularly well. So it has been frustrating, that. As you can see, I've got my charger on over here. But, you know, this is the sort of length. It's just, had I known, I'd have obviously got an extended one, but hey ho. And then the view I've thoroughly enjoyed. I think this is a cracking view, even though it's not a strip view. The T-Mobile Arena over there, you see the people in the roller coaster going up to the very first bit where they launch off at the top there on the left-hand side. Orleans in the distance, great mountain view. Looks fantastic at night with the T-Mobile lit up. And I've been very impressed with New York as a whole. Oh, actually, sorry, the air conditioning is fantastic in here as well. That is new, or it seems it. But I've been very impressed with New York as a whole. Dining options are fantastic. For someone like me who likes sort of quick bites late at night, I've had fish and chips, I've had deli sandwiches, I've had meatballs, I've had pizza. It's been fantastic. Really good options for anyone who likes sort of quick eats, really. And you've also got a number of other restaurants here as well, should you want to sit down. Chin Chin, the Chinese, the Americana restaurant. There's lots of options, which isn't always the case. So I would say the room, I've thoroughly enjoyed it, but a couple of reservations for the plug-in, but I would 100% stay here again. I really would stay here again. It's an M Life offer, 4 free nights, 175 free play, 300 resort credits. So every meal has been taken care of with that, plus a few beers as well. So it's been a great stay, and I actually would rush back and stay here again on a solo trip. I really would. Maybe change the room type slightly, but it's been good. Until next time, take care of yourselves. I'm off to the airport.